Hello and welcome back to MOREducation, where we provide more opportunities regarding education. Today's lesson we are going to be looking at the structure of the atom. Our learning objectives are to describe atoms using the nuclear model, know the relative charge, relative mass and location of the subatomic particles, and state the size of the nucleus and the radius of an atom. So here is a nuclear model of the helium atom. The radius of an atom is about 1 × 10 to the power of -10 meters. The nucleus is around 1 × 10 to the power of -14 meters. Inside the nucleus, we have the protons and the neutrons, and then the electrons on the shells orbiting the nucleus. In exams, a common question that is asked is to write the location of the subatomic particles, which we've just looked at, and then write down the relative mass and relative charge, which we're going to look at now. First, we're going to look at the proton. The relative mass is 1 and the charge is +1. A neutron, relative mass is 1, the same as proton, and the charge is 0, neutral, it does not have a charge. The electron, its relative mass is very small. In terms of a value for the mass of an electron, it would take almost 2,000 electrons to have the same mass as one proton or neutron. And the relative charge is -1. Here we have fluorine, which you can find in your periodic tables in group 7. The mass number is the total number of protons plus neutrons. The atomic number is the number of protons. That you can work out the number of protons, electrons and neutrons using the atomic number and mass number. The number of protons is always the same, it's equal to the number of electrons, and to find the number of neutrons, all you do is mass number, take away the atomic number. So here I've got an example for you using the same fluorine atom. The protons, we would look at the atomic number, which is 9. The electrons is the same number as the protons, so that will be 9. The neutrons would be the mass number, take away the atomic number, which is 19, take away 9, and the answer would be 10. Now let's test your knowledge with a progress check. I've got 3 questions for you. The first one, how many protons, electrons and neutrons do these atoms contain? Use your periodic table to help you with this. Pause the video, answer the question, and when you're ready, press play. Chlorine, protons are 17, electrons 17 and neutrons 18.5, because you would do 35.5 take away 17. Oxygen, protons are 8, electrons are 8 and neutrons are also 8. Nitrogen, protons 7, electrons 7 and neutrons 7. Finally, silver, protons 47, electrons 47 and neutrons 61. Question 2. Explain why all atoms have no overall charge. That's worth 2 marks. And then question 3 is, using the periodic table, find the atom that has 30 neutrons and 25 protons. Name the element, what is the atomic number and what is the mass number. Pause the video, answer the questions, then when you're ready, press play. Okay, then question 2. Explain why all atoms have no overall charge. Protons have a positive charge, electrons have a negative charge. The number of protons is equal to the number of electrons in an atom. Therefore, the charges cancel out. And for question 3, the element is manganese. The atomic number is 25 and the mass number is 55. Thank you for watching this video on the structure of an atom. Keep an eye out for more videos from us. I'm Miss K and this is More Education.